Rainforest and jungle animals. Monkey. Monkeys love climbing trees. They use their tails to help them balance. They live in groups called troops. Monkeys eat fruits, leaves, and insects. Gorilla. Gorillas are the largest apes. They live in the African rainforest. Gorillas are very gentle and strong. They love eating plants and fruits. Tiger. Tigers are big cats with orange and black stripes. They are excellent swimmers. Tigers love to hunt at night. No two tigers have same pattern. Leopard. Leopards are fast and sneaky hunters. They can climb trees easily. They have spots on their fur called rosettes. They hunt mostly at night. Elephant. Elephants are the biggest land animals. They use their trunks to drink, eat, and play. Elephants love water and taking mud baths. They live in herds and care for each other. Snake. Snakes have no legs, they slither to move. Some snakes live in trees, some on the ground. They smell with their tongues. Not all snakes are dangerous. Frog. Frogs love wet places like rainforests. They can jump very high. Frogs have smooth, moist skin. They start life as tadpoles in water. Crocodile. Crocodiles live near rivers in the rainforest. They have big, strong jaws. They can stay underwater for a long time. They are great swimmers. Parrot. Parrots are bright and colorful birds. They can copy sounds and even talk. They have strong beaks for cracking nuts. Parrots love fruits and seeds. Jaguar. Jaguars live in the Amazon rainforest. They are powerful cats with golden coats and spots. Jaguars are great swimmers. They are quiet hunters. Ant. Ants are tiny but very strong. They live in big colonies. Ants work together as a team. Some ants can carry things bigger than their body. Butterfly. Butterflies have colorful wings. They drink nectar from flowers. Butterflies start life as caterpillars. They love warm, sunny places. Sloth. Sloths move very slowly. They spend most of their time hanging from trees. Sloths sleep up to 15 hours a day. Algae grows on their fur, helping them blend in. Red panda. Red pandas are fluffy and cute. They live in the cool rainforests of Asia. They love eating bamboo and fruits. Red pandas are good climbers. Tapir. Tapirs have long funny noses. They love eating leaves and fruits. Tapirs are great swimmers. They are shy and gentle. Ocelot. Ocelots are small wild cats. They have beautiful spotted coats. They hunt at night. Ocelots can climb trees easily. Toucan. Toucans have big colorful beaks. They live high up in the trees. They love eating fruits. Toucans make loud croaking sounds. Leafcutter ant. These ants cut pieces of leaves to carry home. They live in the rainforest floor. They use the leaves to grow fungus for food. They work together in lines. Anteater. Anteaters have long noses and sticky tongues. They love eating ants and termites. They don't have teeth. They walk slowly and carefully. Chameleon. Chameleons can change their skin color. They have long tongues to catch insects. Their eyes move in different directions. They love climbing trees. Sun bear. Sun bears are the smallest bears. They live in the tropical rainforest. They have long tongues to eat honey. They love climbing trees. Tortoise. Tortoises have hard shells. They move slowly on the ground. They eat plants and leaves. Some tortoises can live for many years. Orangutan. Orangutans are big orange apes. They live in the rainforests of Asia. They build nests in trees to sleep. They are very smart. Moth. Moths are cousins of butterflies. They mostly come out at night. Some moths have soft furry bodies. They help flowers grow by carrying pollen. Okapi. Okapis are shy rainforest animals. They look like a mix of a zebra and a giraffe. They have straight legs. Okapis live deep in the forest. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.